Okay, so you guys have loved my shopping hauls from before, so I thought that this season I would make the most of it and do one more. I feel like shopping is great, it's therapeutic, I love it, and I know you guys love it too. But my favorite thing about getting into the shopping mode is making the most of a really good sale. So I rated one of my favorite brands, Forever 21, and decided to share my shopping with you guys because I feel like Forever 21 is one of those brands that I've had to connect with for the longest time. I've shopped from there through my college days, through my first phase of being like in work life. I feel like their clothes are super stylish. I know that they're very affordable, and it's amazing when a brand that's already so affordable and stylish goes on sale. I think I shop a little bit tenfold in moments like that. So let's not waste any more time and let's dive right into it because it's time to show you my shopping haul. Over here is this really pretty jacket. It's not ice blue, but it's a couple of shades darker than an ice blue. It is a very versatile denim. I love this floral detail happening at the back, the peach, the red, the pop of the yellows. I love it all. I feel like even though this is really feminine, it can look extremely sort of hippie-ish bohemian if you pair it up with, say, a pair of ripped jeans. I feel like something like this is also really great to wear over like a light tank top, because especially if you're traveling or if you're in summer but like to layer up, something as easy as this might work really well. I'm gonna go over to the next piece. What I have over here is this athleisure style pair of pants. It's got a really cool white stripe on the side. I feel like my personal style is very easy chic. I feel like I like stuff that's really easy to put on, stuff that's also very versatile and easy to pair with different items, which is why I think this one is definitely making it to my favorites list, especially from this haul. The fact that it's black and white is like a huge bonus because I feel like the monochrome color combination is my favorite. So if I was wearing this, I'd probably tuck in a really nice white shirt and wear it with a red lip. Then here's a summer special. It's a denim skirt, but I feel like it's so short and sexy that I would totally wear this. Again, it's a floral piece. You guys know how much I love my floral pieces. I would totally pair this up with like a bodysuit like the one I'm wearing right now, which is also from Forever 21, by the way. And I think it's a really cute style because it's got this little flare going on the side. It's sort of wider the lower it gets. And I love that it's a really nice neutral color. You can pair neutral colors with anything. Now I've got something which is a little more workwear friendly, but it's still really stylish. I feel like a jacket like this is great to wear to work, to a meeting. I would even wear something like this with a really nice super short dress to maybe like a date night. Also, maybe if you are partying with your colleagues, this would be a really safe bet if you could pair it along with a few different items. Of course, I'm adding all the price details over here in the video, so make sure you guys check that out for more details. And I will be sure to add links to everything I can find on their website down below in the info box, so make sure you check that. Also, while we're at it, don't forget to tell me what your favorite piece from these items are. I want to know what you guys like the most. It's a really cool play suit. I really wish you guys could feel the fabric. It is so light. I feel like I'm totally going to wear this all through summer. I also want to say that these particular shades of green, you know, like the darker greens, are somewhat of a new love for me. The family of the camouflages, the khakis, even like just those deeper tones of reds and greens are really appealing to me right now. I don't know if you get what I'm saying, but you'll probably also notice it in the way I've been doing my eyes. I've been opting for warmer, darker tones. I think it's just something I'm loving right now. If you're with me on the same boat, let me know down below in the comment section so I know I'm not the only one. But coming to this play suit here, I feel like it's really cool. I would totally wear this with like a little bikini if I was heading to the beach. I could also totally wear this with like a crop top for like a regular day out. It's just really versatile. I feel like pieces like this do really well in my wardrobe because I'm someone who personally enjoys being able to pair that one item in at least 2 to 3 different ways, and everything I've got here can be restyled in so many different looks, and that's my favorite thing about being able to shop for just really like those wardrobe staples, those basics. If you guys want me to do like a wardrobe must-have, wardrobe staples video, let me know down below in the comment section. Okay, so the next piece I have over here is a really cute nautical striped bardo top. Now, if you have been following my Instagram profile, you know I've been wearing a lot of off shoulders of late. My point is that I feel like stuff like this is really easy to wear. It's really cute. I feel like, you know, when you're wearing denims, if you're constantly just wearing shirts or t-shirts or blouses, it's your regular everyday stuff. But the minute you pair something as feminine and flirty as like something like this bardo top that I have over here, it instantly makes the look so girly and feminine and just more fun. I also of course love the fact that it's got this lovely sky blue shade for the nautical stripes, and the sleeves have crazy volume, and I love that because it just adds drama to the whole look. Also, it's got these little ties over here. You can either tie these over going above your shoulder, you could make a little bow out of it and keep it right there. That's totally your call. But in general, one of my favorite pieces from the stuff I've bought, because like I said, it's really easy to wear. You can wear it with your denims, you can wear it with your skirts, you can wear it with your shorts and just make it look really cute. Okay, so this white dress that I have over here is something I'm really excited to wear. The reason I'm really excited to wear it is because I feel like it's one of those pieces that I know I would wear to like a fashion week and also be able to wear it to like a formal meeting. If you know anything about my personal style, you know that I love to be able to wear that one piece in multiple ways. And I just don't mean it by means of like, okay, take a staple and style it in a versatile manner. I also mean that one piece as is, like a dress, which is sort of one whole look. I want to be able to wear it for different occasions depending on how I choose to glam it up with hair and makeup. I want to be able to play it up and play it down. So I feel like a dress like this, it's a lovely mesh dress with a lot of detail going for it, and it's got a beautiful digital print on it. I feel like something like this would be really nice to style with heavy curls and, you know, sort of like a pink lip for a date night, and at the same time I could also make it like a nude lippy with poker straight hair and wear it into a meeting. So I feel like outfits like that, which are a whole look, also need to be really easy to wear for different occasions. That's really important to me. I also want to point out that considering how affordable a price this dress came for, the fact that the fabric and the stiffness of it is so out there, it's like a designer piece. I just want to give a huge shout out to that fact, because I feel like stuff like that goes a long way in being a part of your wardrobe and actually being worn multiple times. That's really important to me. Quality is just so underrated. Okay, coming down to my last three pieces, make sure you're taking note of each of these pieces because I want to know what your favorites were down below in the comment section. I've got this lovely bomber jacket. Now I feel I land up wearing bomber jackets the most, A, during winter of course, and B, when I'm traveling, I get cold really easily. So if you've been following #AnamsOOTD on Instagram, you know that every time I'm traveling outside the city, even if I'm on a road trip, I have to have a jacket with me, and it's usually a bomber jacket. This camouflage one right here is really cool. This olive green skirt is all sorts of love for me because I feel like everybody needs to own that one really sexy, like, you know, the whole leather skirt look, and I feel like this one has so much personality because it's got these zip details going on it. I feel like a lot of stuff is happening around really interesting skirts of late. We've seen skirts that are sort of uneven, we've seen open hemlines, so I feel like when you have a classic one like this and then it has like a little more dimension being added to it with the zipper detail going on, it definitely becomes a wardrobe must have for me, especially for this season. I like the idea that something like this can be worn with like a shirt as well as with a really sexy crop top or a bodysuit, depending on the way you look at it. So last but not the least, definitely not the least, is this really cool ultra summer friendly floral play suit. I love that it's got this little overlap detail going on over here. Guys, I genuinely wish you could touch this because it's like baby hugs, you know, like it's soft and it's really nice and comfortable. I can't like wait to just show you guys the ways in which I'm going to wear this, because again I feel like this is one of those pieces that can be worn in multiple ways. I know that I'm saying this a lot, but if you are following me actively on Instagram, you will relate to the idea of how much I sort of wear the same piece multiple times. Even this bodysuit that I'm wearing, for example, I picked up from Forever 21 in the last season in like autumn winterish maybe, and I've worn it with shorts, I've worn it with skirts, I've worn it with layers, I've worn it to the airport. I feel like it really depends on how you choose to look at your clothes, and this is the last piece from the overall set. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try and do more hauls as and when I can. I have shown you previous shopping hauls before this, so make sure you check out the entire playlist. I've done beauty hauls and I plan on doing a lot more videos, so stay tuned. So that's all for now. I hope that you guys have enjoyed all the pieces in this video. Don't forget to tell me what your favorite piece is and maybe how you'd style it. Let me know down below in the comment section. I will add the links to everything that I can find online and maybe a few of my other favorites as well down below once again. Make sure that you get your hands on your favorite Forever 21 pieces because their sale is currently going on, so make the most of it like I did. I think their sale is going on till about the 28th of Jan. Please make sure you've hit the subscribe button because I am doing a lot of videos and I want you guys to get alerts for it. So if you have subscribed, make sure the bell icon is tapped on, and if not, go subscribe and put the bell icon on. See you in the next one. Mwah!